Hi everyone, my name is Tony. I want to introduce you to my project. I'm going to be partnering today with Northwest Performance Heating and Cooling. They're going to provide a brand new 98% efficient modulating Ruud furnace. And we're also going to get a 2-ton RD17AZ heat pump put in. So yeah, follow along, check it out, see if you learned something, and certainly if you have any comments, let us know. Okay everyone, so what you're looking at is a 26-year-old Rheem furnace, 75 BTU, 90% efficient, classic plus, built in Arkansas. So we'll see what the new 2024 Ruud Ultra U98MV furnace will do. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got going on here. We have a 1914 Craftsman, no insulation, except it's got insulation in the attic. So single pane leaded windows on every window in the first floor. No insulation, about 1,000 square feet on the first floor. Okay, good morning everybody. This is the morning of the installation. It's about 8 o'clock. I'm waiting for the techs to arrive. Patrick in particular and his team. Done a little cleanup work, kind of vacuumed it, mopped it up, got it ready, set up a battery for augmented electricity when they take the power down, laid down a ground cloth so we'd have no dirt coming up. They're going to lay the line in right there. Should be pretty good to go. Okay, so did a little cleanup work, cleaned up the shrub, cleaned up the area, get it ready for them. Yeah, so just got a call from Patrick. Let me know that the 60 BTU Ultra had damage to the corners of the cabinet. Asked me if I still wanted it. No, computer technology sensitive. If it got dropped in shipment, it's too bad. But we're gonna get a 70 BTU instead, which is fine.
Oh, we're going to remove the classic, do a U98 modulating 70,000 BTU 3-ton drive. 17-inch cabinet with paired with a RD17AZ 24 2-ton enhanced cold climate heat pump inverter with RCFZ 2417 MT matching high efficiency coil with a Honeywell F100 4-inch media cage for good air filtration with the EcoNet thermostat controlling the whole system. The RD will be sitting here 4 inches off the wall, 22 overall, on an ultralight pad with isolator blocks. Ain't much changed, I'm still she keeps to me. Up and down the hall,
I mean, it's got a little bit of rust on it, but most of the time they're cracked in these bends. That's when they are
start
fully
to go
filled.
when they're right there. They just
It's almost there. That's starting to rust, and that's what happens. That one has an igniter. It just glows, and then it lights your burners. This one has a spark ignition. It's right there. And it actually sends a spark like a barbecuer.
All right.
And then it lights your burners and away it goes.
Okay.
Your inducer right here that blows the exhaust out. And then there's your blower motor. And
that's easy to get in there, huh?
And the motherboard.
Okay, lunchtime check-in. Let's see what the boys are doing. Stepped away for about an hour, and you can already see the electrical line has been put in. And the new furnace has gone in. There she is, folks. We've got a Honeywell filter cabinet attached. Pretty straightforward. Cabinet opens up, closes. Get a look at the inside. Yeah, she looks good, boys. Got some flashing work going on, or what do you call it?
This is the return duct.
Return duct.
we scooted it over a little bit. That way we could fit the filter cabinet in there. So I blocked this off, and now it's going to come out over here and straight down and into it.
Wow, look at that, guys. Yeah, it's gonna go in the house somewhere. All of this. There she is. There's the electrical outlet. Looks good. I like that angle.
After we brace, we just do a little pressure through it. Just clean out the lines. You can see there's some stuff coming out. Right there, you just kind of clean it out. And then we'll put the valve cores back in and then hook this little meter up right here and put it under pressure test. And that just checks our brazes and everything to make sure they're good. Yeah, so it's a 45, or about a 45, and it makes it a lot easier to shoot it back up into the house. Rather, on a communicating thermostat, you need 2 wires, and it's just E1 and E2. And somehow it does all that reading through those 2 wires, from your stat to out here. So I've cleaned it out as best as we can with nitrogen. Now, I gotta suck it down into a micron reader. This is a vacuum pump. It's vacuuming everything out. So I have this hooked up on one end. This is a gauge, a micron reading gauge. We got to bring it down into microns. So it sucks all the way from here, all the way in through the coil, and all the way back out this other line in and into the pump.
Okay, folks, we're getting there. 4:30.
Oh, here she goes. It's gonna be loud right now because it's coming on at such high demand. Just give it a second and it's gonna learn. It's still in the process of learning everything. So it's gonna communicate and learn. And see, it's slowing down, and it's, you know, communicating with the indoor unit, figuring it's learning everything.
Look how quiet it is now. That's it, folks. You're listening to it.
Yeah, they went to the plastic fans because this is a side discharge unit. On the old ones, the fan's up top and it blows out. You know, the older square ones. They had to go metal, they had to be metal fan blades because of the freezing rain and stuff. So with these side discharges, they can do plastic fan blades, which makes it 10 times quieter.
Okay, we're running it inside. Probably you can't even hear it, anyone. It's been a day since we had the installation done, and she looks really good. We've had her running. It's incredibly quiet. The air conditioning is fun. Okay, here's the thermostat. Hasn't been running very long, but early in the morning our house is looking actually pretty cool. It's 67 inside, it's supposed to be 90 today, and temperature in here is set at 69. So yeah, we'll see, hopefully see it come on. It was connected to my Wi-Fi, and already it seems to be working out really well.